DFA, the deterministic finite automata. See that DFA consists of 5 tuples Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, and F. See, Q is a non-empty finite set of states. Sigma is non-empty finite set of input symbols. Then delta is a transition function. Uh, transition function. Then once again, we go for Q naught is called a starting state, F is equal to final state. See, we can go for studying about the mission, how the mission will be works. See, we can go for designing a according to the condition, according to the certain language. See, languages means here we can go for we are using only type of programs. See, for example, see, still now we already know that try a DFA to accept the strings of A is end with 0, 1, end with 1, 1, 0, either end with ABR, BC, like that only we can go for. Still, we learn that one. See, now another one type. See, we can go for try a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's exactly 1A. One more thing, see, it will be collection of, will be the string have number of A's and B's. Then having exactly only 1A, see in that string only 1A. For example, here strings of B's only 1A in that mission. See, that is only you need to this type of strings. We need to input this type of strings to the mission. See, that time the mission will be accepted that one. See, if you are not giving to this type of strings, that time mission is not accepted to that. See, that is only the try a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's exactly 1A in the mission. See, that is only. But here you can identify the which is the minimum string. See, which is the minimum string. Anyone which is the minimum string of this DFA, try a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's having exactly 1A. What is the minimum string? Minimum string is A. See, why the minimum string is A? Anyone? Why minimum string is A? See here, see question itself that clearly mentioned that one. See, that try a DFA to accept strings of A's and B's exactly 1A in that string. See, if you have only 1A in that strings, see, that time only 1A, no, that's why we take it the minimum string is A only. The minimum string is A only. See here, the minimum string is A. Then step 2, sigma is, what is a sigma? Sigma is A comma B, because the strings of A's and B's. The strings of A's and B's means sigma is equal to A comma B. The step 1, the minimum string is A only. The step 2, the sigma is A comma B. Then we can go to the skeleton of this. The skeleton means the DFA. Here the minimum string is 1, A only. That's why we take it Q0 of Q0 is the starting state. Q0 of A is Q2. Q1. The Q1 is the final state. Q1 is the final state. See, because initially what we write it, the skeleton of DFA means the skeleton of DFA is only for minimum string. We can go for the minimum string purpose. We implemented a skeleton. See, that is only Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. In this, we can take it Q0 is the starting state, Q1 is the final state. Then here, see, you can go for undefined transitions. What are the undefined transitions here? See, undefined transition means Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q0 reads B, Q0 reads B. See, we don't know where you need to, but according to that strings of A's and B's exactly 1A, according to that, we can go for giving to the Q0 of B. Then Q1 of A also, you don't know. We don't know that Q1 of A. See, that is called an undefined state. The Q1 of B also, it is undefined state. We are not defined in the skeleton. See, that is only. See, this transition table, we can take it for what are the defined, what are the undefined in the transitions. The Q0 of A is Q1, Q0 of B, we are not defined in the skeleton. Q1 of A also, we are not defined in the skeleton. Q1 of B also, we are not defined in the skeleton. Then come to that. See, what are the undefined transition of Q0 of B? See, transition of Q0 of B is, see, we can go for Q0 only, because string start with number of b's, but you have end with either in between you have only one a. See, it is number of b's, then you have only one a. See, that is only, since the string can begin with any number of a's, any number of b's. See, that is only the see, any number of a's, since the string can be begin with any number of b's. See, that is only the some printing mistake. See, that is called any number of b's. See, that's why q0 of b is q0 only, but it is q0 of a is q1. But on that time, any number of b's, but only one a, it will reach the final state. See, that type of things will be accepted. Then q1 of a. See, q1 of a is, then q1 of a is equal to q2. See, why we take it q2? q2 is a trap because almost one a is allowed into the string. See, the question itself, they mentioned clearly, they mentioned that, see, exactly only one a. If we are going to the q1 of a, if you give q1 of a is q1 only, see, that time it will take multiple of a's to accept the mission. See, that's why avoiding that one, we take it another one state. See, that time q1 of a will be giving to the q2. See, that q2 is called a trap state. But if we are not writing also, we are just you can mention it that q1 of a is equal to q2. The q2 is a trap state. Then come to that q1 of a. See, then q1 of a is q2. The q1 of b also, the q1 of b is q1 only. Okay, students. Okay, first it will be taking number of b's, then it will taking one a, then it will be number of b's also. For example, say I will bab, either bba, either abb. See, this type of things will be accepted. See, that's why we can write it. We can write it q1 of b is also q1 only. But here we taken one trap state. The trap state is q2. Then we need to mention that q2 also, q2 of a and q2 of b. See, q2 of a is q2 only because q2 is a trap state. q2 of b is equal to q2 only. The q2 is a trap state. So one more thing, already in the last class I explained what is the trap state. The trap state is a state for which there existing the transitions to itself for all the input symbols chosen from the sigma is called as a trap state. See, that is only. See, for example, if you take any state that which there existing the transitions to be itself. Itself means if you q0 of a will be q0 only, q0 of b also q0 only. See, that is not a final state. See, that type of states we call it, that is called a trap state. Either it is a, we call it a trap state, either we call it that is only the dead state also. See, the trap state can be a non-final states or a final state, that is called a dead state. See, that is a non-final trap state is called a dead state. See, here q2 is called a dead state. See, it will be, if you are not mentioned also, it will be dead state only. We are not accepting that character. Once again, students, clearly you can observe this one. See, what is this q2 means? We can take it q2 is called a undefined states. Undefined means that is called a trap state. See, trap state means q0 of b means q0 of q1 of a will be due to, okay, the q1 of, see, q1 of a is equal to q2. We can take it the undefined state. Then once again, q2 of a is equal to q2 of a is equal to q2 only. The q2 of b is also q2 only. See, then once again we can go for the transitions. What are the transitions we are defined? Then once again we can, according to this, we can go for constructing the DFA. See, the constructing a DFA is the q0 reads a, it will be go to the q1. Then q0 reads b, it will be q0 only. Q1 reads a, it will be go to the q2. Then once again q0, that is called a trap state. q0 reads b, it will be q0 only. q1 reads b, it will be q1 only. The q2 reads a and b, it will be q2 only. Then we can go for defining the DFA. See, that will be the here the DFA designed as a d is equal to q sigma delta q naught and f. Then q is a non-empty finite set of states. In this diagram, what are the states we consider? q0, q1. So if you are not mentioning q2 also, it will be accepted. Either you can take it q2 also. q0, q1, q2. Sigma is 0, a, b. See, that is, these are the input symbols. Then once again, Q naught is called a starting state. F is equal to final state. Then transition function, we can go for writing the transition function. Q0, A and B. The input symbols are, states are Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0 of A is equal to Q1. Q0 of B is equal to Q0. Q1 of A is equal to Q2, Q2 of B is equal to Q1, Q2 of A is equal to Q2, then Q2 of B is equal to Q2. See, this is only the this one, but here you can clearly observe it. See it exactly only one A in the DFA. Try a DFA to accept the strings of having exactly one A. See, mission will be accepting, A will be in first beginning, either it will be in between, either end. You have only one A, then only it will be accepting the mission. But you need to show that each and every state will be taking the different input symbols. It will be changing the states. That's why we considering a one trap state. See, the Q1 of A will be Q2. When it will be the two A's, that time mission will be go to the trap state. Then it will be not accepted. Then once again, that purpose only we are taking to the another one A for inputting to the Q2. See, that is only the Q1 of A will go to the Q2. See, that Q2 is called a trap state. Then Q2 of A is called Q2 only. Q2 of B also, it will be Q2 only. See, I think are you clear for this? Only one. See, that's why we take it minimum string is A. According to the minimum string, we can give to the Q1 is the final state. If we have number of A's, if we take any two A's in that string, see, that time we can give it in the trap state. Say Q1 of A is, give it that one. Q1 of A is Q2. See, that is only the possibility. See, possibility of designing a DFA. See, in this DFA, it will be clearly that if we have only one A, then only it will be accepted. If you take two A's in that any string, see, that time mission is not accepting to this one, that type of strings. Just you can take it that one. For example, BB A, BB A. See, then see, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q0, Q1, Q1 of B is Q1. See, then it will be one more A. See, that time Q2, Q2 is called a non-final state. See, it is non-final state. Mission is not accepted. That type of strings. Then one more thing, for example, BAB, Q0 of B is Q0, then Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q1. See, that time it will be accepted. It's very clear. Just you can take the many different strings, then you can trace it that one in this diagram. See, that time you are getting it will be accepted or not. See, that is only. But here trap state will be the mission taking itself any sigma. The sigma is A comma B. The Q0 of A also Q0, Q2. Sorry, Q2 of A is Q2, Q2 of B also Q2. That's why we call it, that is called a trap state. Then one more thing, certain conditions. According to the conditions, we can write it like this. I think now you are clear. Then we'll go to the next problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask it. Either we'll go to the next problem. Okay, students. See, next problem is obtain a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's with almost two consecutive B's. See, consecutive B's. See, here, anyone you can explain this question. Obtained a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's with almost two consecutive B's. Consecutive means, for example, tell me the language word. What are the strings? What type of strings will be come under this DFA? See, that is obtained the DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's with almost two consecutive B's. Continuous two B's. Consecutive means it is not in the continuous. That is only, no?
Consecutive means continuous, sir.
Consecutive means it's continuous or not continuous?
Continuous, sir.
Continuous, sir.
Continuous, sir.
Continuous, sir. Okay. See, then, see here. See, obtained a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's with almost two consecutive B's. See here, two consecutive B's means continuous. See, that is only continuous. Once it is come to the BB, see, then only here the minimum string is. What is the minimum string? Then it will be two consecutive means it is a continuous means we can consider minimum string is BB. Clear? You understood? No? See, that is on the minimum string is BB. Then sigma is equal to A comma B. because here we can take it the sigma will 2a means a comma b. The sigma is a comma b because the obtained DFA to accept the strings of a's and b's with almost two consecutive b's. So with almost means either it is one b, either two b's. But see, two consecutive b's, almost two consecutive. It is not three. So it is only continuous two b's. In that type of strings only it will be accepted. What we design the mission. So that is only minimum string of bb. Then once again Q2 the sigma input symbols are sigma is equal to a comma b. Step 3 skeleton. The skeleton of this minimum string Q0 reads B, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads B, it will go to the Q2. See, question itself here we take it with almost, that is at most two consecutive B's, means either it will be one B also it will be accepted, either it is not there also it will be accepted, either it will be two B's it will be accepted. When it is in the three B's, that time your mission is not accepting. See, that is at most two consecutive B's in that string. The string have only continuously two B's, not three B's. Either it will be two B's, A, then two B's also it will be accepted. But string have number of B's, but continuously, consecutively, they have only two B's. It is not three B's. See, that is only the type of strings will be. You see, that is only the given. Using this type of strings, we need to draw the mission. See, that's why we can take it here. Q0 also final state, Q1 also final state, Q2 also final state. Because the string have one A also it will be accepted. The string have two B's, to one A, one B also it will be accepting the mission. See, string have two B's also mission will be accepted. The string have A, the number of B's also, number means only two B's, continuously two B's only it will be accepted. See, that's why we can give it, it will be all states are final state. See, that is only Q0 also final state, Q1 also final state, Q2 also final state. Then come to the undefined other, means undefined transitions. What are the undefined transitions? Q0 of A. See, Q0 of A is, it is not defined. Then Q0 of B is Q1. Q1 of A also undefined. Q1 of B is Q2. Q2 of A is undefined. Q2 of B also undefined. See, just you can see this truth table. See, each and every state we can put it star mark because each and every state is called a final states. Each and every states are final states in this function. See, that is only Q0 also final state, Q1 also final state, Q2 also final state. See, then see Q0 of A. See, it is Q0 of A is Q0 only. See, because the string begin with any number of A's is accepted. See, that is because any number of A's they end with one B or two B's, not three B's. See, that's why the string begin with number of A's, it will be accepted. That's why we can give it Q0 of A is Q0. Then Q1 of A is also Q1 of A is Q0. The Q1 of A is Q0. The string with any number of A's as a substring is accepted. Q1 of A is equal to Q0. The string with any number of A's as a substring is a accepted. That's why we can give it Q1 of A is equal to Q0. Then Q2 of A is equal to Q2 only because any number of A's can occur with at any position in the string. For example, either it is a beginning, either it is end, but in between two consecutive A's. See, that's why we can take it that Q0 be Q1, that is any number of A's can be occurring at any position into the string. Then Q2 of B is equal to Q3 because Q3 is a trap state. At most two consecutive B's are allowed. See, if it is at most two consecutive, if you come one more B means that time mission is not accepted, that strings. See, that's why we can take it one more state. See, that is called a non-final state. See, we call it that is a trap state. We can give it to that is Q3. Then Q3 of A also Q3 of B also Q3 because it is a trap state condition. See, once we can take it any one trap state, see that time if any input symbol it will take, it will be in the same state only because it is not go to the final states. See, that's why we can take it Q3 also. Q3 is a Q3 of A is also Q3 of B also Q3 only. We call it all these two are final states means trap states only. Either we call it that is a dead state. See, it is not final state means the Q3 is the dead state. Dead state means mission is not, if you are not designing also it will be accepted. If you defined also correct. See, that is only the, we call it, that is called a trap state. Undefined. See, certain situations, if it will come to any other B, see that time, if you are giving to what we already designed in the skeleton, if you give any other states, that time mission will be accepted. Avoiding that one, we can take it another one trap state. See, that trap state means, for example, you already know that K-map. K-map itself, we take it don't care conditions. Like that, here also it will be don't care that. See, if it will be giving that condition, that input symbol, mission, it will be in the Q2 state, it will take B, it will go to the Q3. Once it will go to the Q3, see that time mission is not accepted. That one, finally you are getting not accepted. Then Q3 state, once we mention that Q3, see, we need to possibilities of Q3 of A is also Q3, Q3 of B also Q3 only. See, that is only this one. Then we can go for do that construction of DFM is Q0 of see, Q0 is a starting state, then final state also Q0 of B is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, then Q0 of A is Q2 of A is Q2 only, then Q2 of B is Q3, then Q3 of A and B also Q3 only, Q0 of A is Q0, then Q1 of A also Q0. See, then anyone tell me why we take it that trap state? Here we can take on Q3. Varun Manivel Bediri. Any other students? You, Shua, Saima, except these three, tell me anyone why we take it trap state in this problem?
Only two consecutive beats, sir.
Only two Shoaib, only two consecutive base. If it will come more than three, more than two, see that time mission is not accepting that type of strings. See, that's why we can take it one more trap state. We show to one more trap state. See, once it will come one or more means more than two ways. See, that time it will go to the trap or dead state. That purpose only we take it here. Q3 is the trap state. Clear? Okay. So then we'll go to the transition table, the delta A, B.
Sir,
Ilama.
sir, we can give Q1 of A equals Q1 only, no, sir.
Q1 of A is equal to Q1. But see, question itself, at most two consecutive B's is as a substring, no?
Yes, sir. Only one B is there, no, sir. From Q1, Q0 of B will go to Q1.
Continuous B's. You only told continuous, consecutive indicates continuous B's. In between one B will come means that time it is not continuous.
Okay, sir.
See, either one B also it is not accepted, but when it is in the continuous, at most two consecutive B's means, see, if you are giving Q1 of A is equal to A means Q1 only means that time it sometimes certain conditions it will take continuous. Either it will be A, B also it will come. So that is only this one. That's why we can give Q1 of A is equal to Q0. Then it will be two B's also. It will take it B. Then once again B. Then if you give one more B, that time it will go to the Q3 state. See, that is called a trap state. Same artha aitanamma?
Yes, sir.
Because illi continuous ag barato, only it will take two continuous B's, not more than two. See, it is at most two continuous B's. Okay, see, DFA is defined. See, if you give Q1 of A is also Q1, also it will be true only. One more thing, according to that, see, certain times we can write it Q1 of A is also Q1 of A is Q1 also it will, because they're told at most if it is 1A, 1B also it will be accepted. That's why you can give it Q1 of A is also Q1 also it will be true only, because both are final states. Q0 also final state, Q1 also final state, Q2 also final state. After reading A, then it will 1B. See, for example, A, B, A. Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B is Q1, Q1 of A is Q0. See, that time it will be accepted. If the string have 1B also, it will be accepted. See, that on that situation, according to that, Q1 of A is, if you give Q1 also, it will be true only. Either if you give Q1 of A is equal to Q2 also, it will be true. Here, see, DFA is defined as 5 tuples Q sigma delta Q naught. Q is the states. Here, what are the states we can given? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are states. The sigma is input symbols. The input symbols are A, comma B. I am audible, no? Sigma is equal to A, comma B. Then once again, Q naught is starting state. The final states are Q0, Q1, Q2 are final states. Then transition function is AB. It is columns are AB. The rows are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then Q0 is starting state. Q3, Q0, Q1, Q2 are final state. The Q0 of A is Q0. Q0 of B is Q1. Q1 of A is Q0, or Q1 of B is Q2, Q2 of A is Q2, Q2 of B is Q3, Q3. See, students, why I will go to all the problems means, see, each and every problem, it is vary with the conditions. See, for example, here also, see this question, try a DFA to accept the, try a DFA to try a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's which do not end with ABB. ABB. See, for example, in this situation, this type of strings means any string not end with ABB, that type of strings will be accepted your mission. See, that is only. If it is end with ABB, see, that time mission is not accepting. See, that is only. Still now, see what we designed, see, that will be according to that condition, end with ABB, mission will be accepted. Here, in this 14 problem, if we end with ABB, mission is not accepting. That type of strings are not accepting. Option. See, that is only. If you give, that is only. See here, mission end with ABB. See, that time it is not accepting. One which does not end with ABB. See, ABB. Then we take it. ABB is the minimum string here. Exactly. We can take it. That is only the minimum string is. Minimum string is. We can take it. Minimum string is. Here we take it. The minimum string is. Minimum string is. We are not taking any. So once again, here minimum string is ABB. The skeleton. See, we can take it. The skeleton is. See, Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads B, it will go to the Q2. The Q2 reads B, it will go to the Q3. But that's why we are not considering, in this type of problems, we are not considering the minimum string. See, does not end with ABB. See, for example, see, Q0 also we can take it to final state. Q1 also we can take it to final state. Q2 also we take it to final state. Because Q3, why we are not taking it? Because does not end with ABB. Does not end with ABB. See, that's why we take it Q3 is not a final state. See, because remaining, because if any string, if string have null also it will be, means epsilon also it will be accepted. String have 1A also it is accepted. String have 1B also it is accepted. String have A, 2B's, that time it is not accepting. So that purpose, the Q0 of A is Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, Q2 of B is Q3. See, that time does not end with ABB. See, that's why Q3 is not final state. See, since DFA does not end with ABB, then Q3 cannot be a final state. Q0, Q1, Q2 are the final state, as a string can have 0 or more number of A's and B's as the substring. See, that means 0 or more number of A's and B's, the 2 B's also it will be, number of B's also it will be accepted. But once it is ended with ABB, see, that time it is not accepting. Then undefined transitions. We take it the undefined transitions are, take it delta. Then input symbols are A and B. Then states are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. See, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q3 is not a final state. The Q0 of A is Q1. Q0 of B, it is undefined. Q1 of A also undefined. Q1 of B is Q2. Then Q2 of A is undefined. Q2 of B is Q3. Then Q3 of A is undefined. Q3 of B also undefined. Then we need to write it. What is the transition of Q0 of B? See, Q0 of B is Q0 only, because since the string can begin with any number of phase but not end with ABB. See, that's why Q0 of B will can give to the Q0. So either it is 1B, 2B, 3B, 4Bs, either 100 Bs also it will be accepted. See, that is only, see, if it is not there in the ABB, just string with number of Bs also it will be accepted. That's why Q0 of B will be Q0, since the string can have any number of Bs. See, that's why we can give it Q0 of B is Q0 only. Then Q1 of A. The Q1 of A is Q1 only. Can you have any number of A's as a substring? Start with 1B, then any number of A's. Any number of A's also it will be accepted. Not end with ABB. It is not end with ABB, but any number of A's in the string also, either 1A, 2A's, 3A's, 4A's also it will be accepted, but it is not, because string, if you give the Q0 of B is Q0, Q1 of A is Q1, see that time number of B's also Q0, it will be remaining in the same state. After that it will take A, Q1, after that it will take B, it will go to the Q2. After, if you have one more B, it will be Q3. See, that time mission is not accepted. For example, it is number of B's, end with AB also it will be accepted. Then Q0 of A is Q1, it will be number of A's, end with 1B, see that also it will be accepted. If we give one more B, see that time it is not accepting. Then Q2 of A, the Q2 of A is, can be end with A or AB. See, AB, see, that's why it will go to the Q2 of A is equal to Q1, because if you give 1B, then once again it will be end with, it will go for A, means it will be repeating in the same state. See, that's why they should not end with, see, then Q2 of A is equal to Q1, can be end with A or AB. See, that's why we can give it, it will come to that Q2 of A is equal to Q1. Then Q3 of A, see, then we can go for Q3 of A is Q1, because string is not end with ABB, but if you have one more A also, it will be come to that any one state. Either it will be come to that, you can give to Q1 means either A, then one B, then one more B, means it is not accepted. That's why Q3 of A is will be given to the Q1. Then Q3 of B is Q0. Then Q2 should not end with ABB. See, that's why we can go for giving to the, it will be Q0. Then once again it will be A, then A. Then one more thing, it will be, because see, if we give that Q2, the string should not end with AAB means Q0. See, then once again it will come to that B. It is number of B's here only. Then it will be A. Then once again B. Then once again Q3. But it is not reached to the final state. See, that's why we can write it that Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, Q2 of B is Q3, Q3 is not a final state. If any other states, it will be accepted. Then we can go for constructing the DFA for this. See, first is that transition, same. You can write it the skeleton first. The Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, Q2 of B is Q3. The Q3 is not a final state. So remaining remaining states are final states. Then Q0 of A is Q0 of B is Q0 only. Q1 of B is Q1 of A is Q1 only. Then Q2 of A is Q1, then Q3 of A is Q1, then Q3 of B is Q0. See, if we are giving to the Q3 is a final state, that time it will be accepted. See, just remaining will be, we can go for defining a DFA, design a DFA, D is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Then Q is a states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then sigma is equal to A comma B. Then Q naught is equal to starting state. The final states are Q0, F is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2. Then sigma is equal to, then delta is equal to transition function. Q0 of A is equal to Q1, Q0 of B is equal to Q0, Q1 of A is equal to Q1, Q1 of B is equal to Q2. Then Q2 of A is equal to Q1, Q2 of B is equal to Q3. then Q2, Q3 of A is equal to Q1, Q3 of B is equal to Q0. See, this is the way we can go for defining that one. The remaining problems we'll see in the next class. But Monday you have internals, students. Monday you have internals. Then I will send the important questions. Just you can go through that questions. Then Monday one time I will announce